Okay, we're going to look at number 4. Number 4, it tells me it is 4 pi radians. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is figure out what 4 pi radians is. Anytime they give you a bigger number, I know 2 pi is all the way around the circle, so this is something that's out of the normal range. I can always look for a coterminal angle. Remember, to get a coterminal angle, what we talked about a couple days ago is you could either add or subtract 2 pi if it's in radians, or you could add or subtract 360 degrees if it's in degrees. So that's going to leave me a 2 pi after I subtract 2 pi. And what that means is if I were to go 4 pi radians, this is equal to 2 pi all the way around the circle, or 4 pi, or for that matter, 6 pi. I could keep going all the way around. Now, what I'm going to notice here is if I went around the circle, that whole arc would be equal to 4 pi radians, meaning the point I'm looking for is this one here. Technically, what you have is you're going all the way around once, then all the way around again to get 4 pi. But what really matters, once again, is that ending point right here. Now, if I assume the radius of my circle is 1, that means the value of that point is 1, 0, and I'm ready to talk about my trig functions. So here we go. If I'm looking for the sine of 4 pi, it's going to be the y-coordinate over my radius. And my radius I've assumed to be 1, and my coordinate is 1, 0. So 4 pi would be 0 over 1, which is 0. Then I could do cosecant of 4 pi, and that would be the opposite of that. So that would be 1 over 0, which would turn out to be undefined. The next thing I would do is cosine of 4 pi. I would take it and I would do my x-coordinate of 1 over 1, which is 1. If I flip that upside down for secant of 4 pi, that's going to be undefined. Tangent of 4 pi, I would have my y-coordinate over my x-coordinate. So tangent of 4 pi would work out to be 0 over 1, which is 0. And the opposite of tangent would be cotangent. So cotangent of 4 pi, I would flip those upside down. 1 over 0 is undefined. Once again, it's very normal if you have 0 for one function to have undefined on some others. Actually, I have an extra undefined there. Got going in a hurry. That one should be 1 because clearly if I flip 1 over 1 upside down, it's 1. And that is how you do those problems.